Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are out at Chester County Transmissions yet again for another video. Another informative, awesome video, right Rick?
That's right.
Right guys?
Yep.
Yep. What's up, Andy? Hey!
You caught me.
Long time no see.
I know, right? Where have you been all my life? Or at least my recent life.
What do we got going on today?
Yeah, so actually, so we have a lot of good stuff going on. First of all, I got a sweet package from RevMax. Got a chance to talk to Fran down there and Tom down there again. They saw the most recent video that we did. They were super pumped. They were really enthusiastic about it. So they sent us some goodies. So I obviously haven't opened this box yet to figure out open it with you guys so everybody gets to see all the good stuff.
Is this Ram Beast goodies and Chesco CCT goodies?
This is everybody's goodies.
Okay.
We're all gonna enjoy it. We're all gonna enjoy it. You know, I'm a giver, not a taker. So we're going to check this out. So we got some diff stuff here. We are building another diff job for 2018 2500. This gentleman decided to go with some 410s is the ratio he went with. He doesn't have a whole lot of other stuff done to the truck. It's lifted. I mean, it's a cool truck. I mean, there's plenty of awesome stuff there, but performance-wise, not a whole lot just yet. But he has some aspirations. But step one, he wants to get these done, and which makes sense. I mean, I think as we know, and we've kind of talked throughout this process, that you know, all the extra load on the gear train, on the drive line, on the powertrain, I mean, it's unnecessary when you're dealing with tires that are this high, you know. So step one, let's get things back to stock from a load perspective. So that's what we're doing. Obviously, it's empty because we have Pete in the other building. He's over there. We're gonna go see him. We're gonna go crash in on Pete. He doesn't know we're coming, so he's over there building away. Actually, I think he's tearing the front diff apart. Is what he's doing right now. But
that's the fun one.
Yeah, I know. But we did already start, obviously, on the rear. And the interesting thing here, this is an AAM. I don't know if you guys realize, but that's the original equipment. So we were able to get this ratio in 100% stock manufacturer format, which is, you can't get anything better. Again, we talked about Yukon Gear, awesome company. Like we know, we're not going to go anywhere else. But when you can't beat getting the original stuff, so this is really cool. It's something to keep in mind, guys, that you can get 410s in AAM stuff. And
I looked for 456s and AAM stuff, and I couldn't find it. But I knew that they had 410s, and actually, this guy has his truck here. He is a subscriber of the channel. He's been sending me photos, telling me he's coming up here. He's all excited to get his gear swap done.
Oh yeah.
And he's doing it the right way.
Yes.
He's doing it the right way.
He's doing it the right way. He's super pumped. I've been texting back and forth with Mitch all day. Send him some pictures. Matter of fact, Steve, he asked if you were here yet. Yeah.
I told him I was coming in.
Yeah,
Friday.
just a little bit. So yeah, he asked. So yeah, let's go check out some of the other small projects we have going on in the shop, and then we'll go next door and check out Pete.
Cool. Hi, Rick.
Hey. This is a fun thing to note. So ATS, I'm sure if any of you have spent the time to do some research about different transmission remanufacturers and performance builders, ATS always comes up. We have a truck here, we still have it. The individual purchased the truck. It was a 2017 Dodge 2500, white one. He purchased the truck with their transmission already installed, okay? It had a problem. Things happen. I mean, we're not perfect. We've built transmissions that end up having issues. Parts break, things break. Kind of like I've told you guys before, nobody's going to build a bulletproof transmission. So there was an issue with one of their transmissions. He got in contact with them, and they really stepped up to the plate. What they said that they would do is we just had to ship them the transmission. They would rebuild it and ship one back. They didn't have to do it. By warranty's sake, because he wasn't the original purchaser, they did not have to do anything for them whatsoever. Like I said, they really did. They stepped up to the plate. They built him another transmission. So we're going to do like a real quick little mini unboxing. This is what, if you guys were to ever decide to get one from ATS, this is how it would come on this pallet, this big box. We'll open it up, show you guys, this is what you'd be looking at. It's going to come with all this packing material, but ultimately there's your transmission. They decided, they paint it purple. We don't paint our transmissions, at least not yet anyway. There's really no good reason to do it other than branding. There are some articles that we've read in the past that the transmission, it's aluminum, right? Aluminum is a great heat dissipator, fantastic heat dissipator. So in order to maintain temperatures inside the transmission, the aluminum, you know, it breathes essentially. As soon as you put a coat of paint, or especially if you were to powder coat, you know, it's a barrier that heat now has to make its way through. I'm not suggesting by painting it makes it any less thermally efficient. There's just an argument to be made, something that we can have a few beers over, and hey, we all need a good reason to drink sometimes, right?
Bourbon.
But yeah, here you go. This is what it would look like. So
hold on, Andy. Did they send one of these for me? I need one of these.
I asked them, and they said that Steve guy, no way.
Oh, okay.
So, but yeah, figured you guys might want to at least get a chance to take a look at it. So we'll be installing this probably Monday next week. So
cool.
Kind of cool stuff. Let's check out this other Dodge. So here we have, it's just a regular old 1500, this is a 2005. Just an interesting type of diff failure this one had.
And he's got some preventative rust maintenance here going on the side.
Hey, don't pin that on me. That's not me. I didn't come up with that.
Hey, it looks good.
So yeah, you know, hey, it could be worse. So this particular diff was making all kinds of noise. It was just, you would think it was ready to fall apart. And when we pulled the rear cover off, just liquid graphite was pouring out of the thing. We're like, man, this is gonna be pretty bad. Kind of a unique failure though. So this was a posi rear, clutch style, limited slip. So there's posi clutches behind the side gears, and those clutches are held in by retainers. One of the retainers had broke and was attempting to leave the carrier. When that happened, that retainer was able to come in contact with both the axle housing and this is the cap, bearing cap. And you can actually see how much it chewed in. I mean, look how far, look how close we are in terms of, you know, the actual fastener surface. And if we can take a look inside the diff here, you can see what happened, you know, to the differential itself. And when you're this close, structurally, you know, it's just not warrantable at this point. And that's what we told the customer. We said, look, if you want us to build it like this, luckily he was able to come down and take a look. If you want us to build this, we'll do it, but we're not gonna warranty it. So he's getting another axle assembly. I wish I could say we were gonna be rebuilding it. He decided to go used, but those are the kind of things that happen. You know, it is what it is. But this is a unique failure. Not something you're gonna see on a regular basis, but there you have it.
Yeah, that's crazy. I've never seen that.
Yeah, which it's the first. Honestly, it's the first time we've seen it too. You know, it's just not normal. So let's go crash in on Pete.
All right, always something new here at CCT. Always learning, guys.
That's right.
Snap on. You getting anything good?
Hey Tom, say hi. Hi. That's Tom. He's our Snap-on guy. He's awesome.
The white Ram that ATS 68RFE is going into, guys, right there. This is the twin of the beast.
Yeah, this
guys were driving by this truck at work, from work, and they were like, dude, what's your truck doing at Cheska Transmissions? Check that out. God, I don't miss this. Oh, hey, Pete.
Yeah, since you're here.
This is like old times.
Yeah, I figured since you're here, you can give me a hand with this combo wheel bearing rotor
assembly.
Yeah.
That was.
I don't want to separate them because they're so much fun to separate.
Yeah, that was good times.
especially going back in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. We ran a little bit of issue. We don't know if that caused the axle seal to fail or. Remember?
Yeah. Oh, we remember. Yeah, we remember.
Oh,
so
man.
yeah, things are moving along pretty good. You see, so we at least to this point here where we're gonna start to pull these axles out so we can get that diff assembly out. We can come take a look at the rear and show you guys how far along we are with that.
The rear?
The rear. So at least, you know, so Pete's already cleaned things out. We're to the point where this is the new pinion here and there. So you know, we're making some progress here. We're just trying to do tear down, get to a point where we're ready to just set up both rears. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and load this carrier in, do the setup on this one, at the same time we do the setup on the front one. There's no particular reason why, just how Pete felt like doing it, I don't know. You have to ask him.
And Mitch is opting to go with the Mag High Tech diff cover.
Yes.
So unfortunately, I tried reaching out to a company that makes these spacers. They haven't gotten back to me. So Andy's gonna get some blocks fabbed up, similar to what we did with the Beast.
There's a local fabricating company that we maintain their vehicles. Brandywine Fabrications, little name drop there. I'm gonna have them fab something up for us so we can make sure things are spaced properly. I don't know if you guys remember the sway bar hits the back of the cover and makes things a little extra interesting, but
yeah, with the larger cover.
Yeah, it's all part of the fun. So.
Fun times. That's what you have when you mod.
That's right. So, you want to go open the box?
Yeah, let's go open the box. Or Pete, do you need help real quick?
I'll get you when those rotors are ready to go.
Okay, all right. All right, all over the place. We're back over in the conference room. We're gonna open this package sent from RevMax.
Yeah, RevMax. This is a gift. Thank you gift, which is again I think was super awesome of them. You know what I mean? They saw the videos. They were really appreciative, and like I said, they really are a great company. It's nice that you get the opportunity to not talk to just some corporate entity. You're talking to guys that are there doing it all day, every day, and they're more than happy to spend as much time as you need talking about, which is so cool.
Yeah, it's cool building relationships.
Exactly.
All through the channel, through us, it's been an awesome experience so far, and it's only growing.
Fun.
It's growing.
It is only growing, which is cool too. So it's great because I get the opportunity to talk to people across the country. But yeah, check this out. So this is what we got. Let's see, we got cozies and a whole lot of them. Right, that's pretty cool. And we got some t-shirts.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man.
Man, they give you a lot of t-shirts.
Look at that.
Just look at it.
Wow, look at that.
Let's just look at it.
Yeah, it's good stuff. That's awesome. Super awesome. And even more t-shirts. Oh, wow, even a red one.
Yeah.
They come in all shapes and sizes.
We got a shop banner.
Okay, banner time. Banner time.
How cool is that?
Whoa.
That is awesome.
Can we possibly stand this thing up? You guys can kind of see it.
Oh, that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna,
that's awesome.
We're
That's
gonna
awesome.
hang that in the shop.
That is cool. That is cool. That's a massive banner too. No, we'll hang it. That's
very
awesome.
cool.
Very, very cool. And let's see what else we got.
Oh,
I'm sure these are open pop.
Yeah.
Pop bottle opener.
Pop.
We
don't call
depending on which part. It's soda. Well, you know what the reality is? It is soda, but some people just like to call it pop. But that's okay as long as you get what you order. Right?
When you go up north, they call it pop. Here, it's soda.
Yeah, it's soda.
In some places, it's cola.
And even cola. That's
Yeah,
true.
yep.
That is true.
Suds?
Whole
No, that's
handful.
beer. That's beer.
Yeah. Handful of those puppies. That's pretty cool. And
Stuff to keep it G-rated.
apparently,
High performance.
there you have it.
If you still need those, us old guys don't need that anymore.
RevMax. RevMax. It's CCT green.
There you go. You can break that out tonight with your wife.
She's just, I tell her it's branding,
Yeah, it's branding. We gotta test this out. It's high speed.
High speed, apparently. I'll maybe give you guys an update on whether or not these really are that high performance.
I don't want to know.
No, I don't really. But yeah, no, really.
That's really
so,
cool.
Thank you to RevMax. Appreciate this. This is tons of fun. A lot of good stuff. Appreciate you guys showing the love, and we look forward to buying plenty more of your products and keeping this thing going, Ram Beast style.
Yeah. If you feel like sending us some more upgrade parts for the Beast, we're willing to refresh it.
Yeah.
Just putting it out there, guys.
Right.
Come on, Tom.
Yeah, come on, Tom.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Are you just staring at me? Are you making things? You're doing things behind me. He's doing stuff behind me.
It's not my stuff.
We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.